Hello and welcome back to Kids to College. Today we will be dissolving the shell off of an egg, and we won't be cooking in order to do that. We'll be using science. We're going to have two basic ingredients: a glass with an egg inside of it already, and white vinegar. Now, white vinegar that you get in the store is about 96% water and 4% acetic acid. So when we add our white vinegar, we're going to just cover the egg just enough so that the top is completely covered. Now, this experiment is going to go on for about a week in total. So it's going to be fun, and stay tuned for that. But this is the very first step. So now that we have our egg in the vinegar, you will start to see bubbles that are forming. And it may be hard to see on video. However, those bubbles that you see forming on the shell, they are carbon dioxide. Vinegar is an acid called acetic acid. And white vinegar, like I said, is about 96% water and 4% acetic acid. Eggshells are made up of calcium carbonate. The acetic acid that's in the vinegar reacts with the calcium carbonate that's in the eggshell to make calcium acetate. When you add that with water, you see carbon dioxide, and those are the bubbles that are forming on the shell. Those also are the bubbles in the chemical reaction that are occurring that are going to start dissolving our shell. So we're going to leave this in a safe place that it can be undisturbed for 24 hours. Okay, so we're going to set that aside. But I'm going to give you a sneak peek of what you're going to see happening. So over the course of your 24 hours, your egg is going to start to expand. It's not magnified because of the glass. It's literally expanding. And that's when we have to go back to the fact that white vinegar is 96% water. So our eggshell, as the shell is dissolving, the rest of the membrane and egg are becoming exposed, and they're soaking in that water that's in the vinegar. So now the next step after this, tomorrow, will be taking this egg, which will not have a shell on it anymore, and putting new vinegar on top of it. We'll be able to put a flashlight up to it and see straight through it. Stay tuned, and we miss you very much from Kids to College.